Harry and Meghan's entire hometown of Montecito evacuated as brutal storm lashes California. The entire Montecito area, home to Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, has been ordered to evacuate due to severe weather and heavy rain prompting fears of mudslides. Meghan and Harry's hometown has been urged to evacuate as freak weather batters California, bringing torrential rain and flooding. It comes 5 years after deadly mudslides killed 23 people in the coastal town of Montecito. Nearby Santa Barbara residents have been urged to get to high ground and shelter in place from a storm which has already killed 12 across the west coast state. The community of Montecito and surrounding canyons were ordered to evacuate Monday amid a deluge of rain that has flooded roads and swollen waterways. Immediate evacuation order issued to the entire Montecito community, the Santa Barbara County Office of Emergency Management said in a tweet. Montecito Fire Chief Kevin Taylor said at least 8 inches of rain had fallen in 12 hours, with several more inches expected. The canyon communities under evacuation orders are under hillsides burned bare in recent years by wildfires. Upscale Montecito is squeezed between mountains and the Pacific coast. It is home to the Duke and Duchess as well as other big names, including Oprah Winfrey. As of Monday morning, more than 137,000 were without power as winds upwards of 60 miles per hour battered the Golden State, downing power lines and trees. "We expect to see the worst of it still in front of us," said Governor Gavin Newsom. He asked Joe Biden to declare an emergency for the state, which the president did on Sunday evening. Governor Newsom added, "We're anticipating very intense weather coming in Monday and Tuesday morning." The National Weather Service warned of a relentless parade of atmospheric rivers, long plumes of moisture stretching out into the Pacific that can drop staggering amounts of rain and snow. The precipitation expected over the next couple of days comes after storms last week knocked out power to thousands, flooded streets and battered the coastline. Meghan and Harry's $25 million home sits in the southeastern part of Santa Barbara County where heavy precipitation is expected to continue. The Los Angeles area has been put under a flash flood warning until late Monday afternoon. On January 9, 2018, a series of mudslides focused around the Montecito area killed 23 people, although one body was never found. More than 150 people were hospitalized at the time, some in critical conditions. Most of the deaths occurred in the Montecito area. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex bought their Montecito mansion in 2020 for $14.7 million after stepping down as senior working royals. They now reside in California with their children Archie, 3, and Lilibet, 1.
When your emotions can't stop being so damn tough, just know it's okay to cry, 'cause you're not alone. Go find yourself a home to feel warm and feel loved. My bed is free tonight, just come and hold me tight. You're all that I need, just give me it please. It started with a kiss, it could be more than this. You're all that I need, just give it to me please. Just give it to me please. When love is not the thing that you asked for, I know you have these feelings more than before. So cut that shit and just admit you were wrong. You know I care, I just couldn't bear so I wrote this song. 'Cause I can feel it too, I'm breaking down the walls for you. Baby, let me through. My bed is free tonight, just come and hold me tight. You're all that I need, just give me it please. It started with a kiss, it could be more than this. You're all
hospitalized at the time, some in critical conditions. Most of the deaths occurred in the Montecito area. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex bought their Montecito mansion in 2020 for $14.7 million after stepping down as senior working royals. They now reside in California with their children Archie, 3, and Lilibet, 1.